What's up guys, Tim the Project Man here. I wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown of what I did. The other day I was out here, I didn't have the camera, but I got my back wall framed up. I got the fixed window in place. I'm gonna try to put a AC unit in that back wall also. And we're here to work on it today. I'm gonna try to get the front wall done and frame out the opening for the door. And we're also gonna work on my ladder because we're all getting sick and tired of taking those long steps up. So we're gonna work on that a little bit, and I hope you enjoy watching. Thanks, let's get it. All right guys, so we're about to start working on the ladder right now. We're just gonna pull it down, take it all the way apart, and redo it and add a few more steps into it because they're just entirely too far apart. I put them on 16s because that looked like a good distance to put them when it was on the sawhorses. But then when I stood it up, I was like, oh man, I gotta make these a little bit closer together. So we're just gonna redo it. And when I made it, I had one 2x6 that was a little bit longer than the other. So I put the one that was longer on that side because I plan on tying them into the rail that goes around the porch area of the treehouse. Alright guys, we got the ladder done. It is a million times better climbing up it now. It just feels natural now, so much better. So I wanted to mention we're gonna put in a fireman's pole along with the zip line. So the kids are really excited about that. It's gonna come right off the porch area. You'll be able to grab the pole, slide right down. It's gonna be awesome. So I'm super excited about this, and I can't wait to get back out here working again. So hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.